y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these bomb jumbo knotless braids. You know, obviously you clicked on this video for a reason, so I feel like y'all might as well just stay, enjoy the ride, watch me work, and yeah, let's get to it. So before we actually get started, I just want to give a disclaimer. I apologize for my voice. If it goes in and out, if it cracks a little bit, I apologize. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Prayerfully, it'll warm up as we go. But now getting into it, I'm just showing y'all my parting method. I just connected my camera to my AirPlay so that I could watch it on my TV. Instead of using like 1,000 mirrors, I just felt like that was easier. And then for my gel, I'm just going to be going in with this Braid Formula Super Hold Conditioning Gel. So I went ahead and did the first braid off camera, you know, just to give y'all a little sneak peek. Nothing too crazy. But now I'm just going into the next braid using that gel that I showed y'all, and then using a rat tail comb to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. I feel like that's a very important step. You just want to smooth the product through, not just slap it on your hair, but make sure that it's combed through. This also helps with detangling when it's time to take down the braids, so there's not as much buildup when you take it down. As you can see, I started braiding my natural hair first, and then I went ahead and started feeding in the braiding hair. I'm really bad at explaining things. I tried to do a knotless braid tutorial, so if you want to scroll down, you know, on my little channel and watch that, that might be better, but I'm just not even going to even bother trying to explain the process because I just can't do it. Like, it's just better if I just show y'all. I don't know, I just feel like me personally, that's just the best way that I can teach because like I said, I just cannot put it into words. Like, y'all just gonna have to watch me and trust the process, okay? And like I said, I do apologize for the voice cracks here and there. Y'all probably are not taking me seriously at all, but I'm really sorry because I got my bottle of water right here next to me. Y'all hear that? Like, I got it next to me, okay? So I'm really trying my best. And I'm really hoping that my voice warms up as I go, but you know, I'm trying to be dedicated, put these videos out, be consistent, and you know, get these videos out when I can, which happens to be at 4 o'clock in the morning. You know, I got school, I got work, your girl is busy. This happens to be the time that I just can sit down and get this done, okay? So, like I said, I apologize, I'm rambling, I'm gonna shut up, and we're gonna get back to these braids. This process gets pretty repetitive. This is usually about where I stop talking in my braiding videos and just, you know, play the music, let y'all watch, because I just do the same thing over and over. You know, make the parts, add the product, comb it through, and then start braiding my natural hair, start feeding in piece by piece. And I used about 3 to 4 pieces per braid, but I made the pieces a little bit bigger than I usually would because these are jumbo knotless braids or large knotless braids. So yeah, you can just see me doing that here, and like I said, I think this is a good point to just stop talking and let y'all watch the rest.
She make the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change that last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I brought you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, man. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, man. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, and you don't understand. She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She hit the main stage. She make the people say yeah, 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 yeah. I can put you in the condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in the Murcielago. I put you in the beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good, you make me wanna spend it all on you. Get about this club, slide with your boy, and we can do what you wanna, yeah.
So this is the final look, you guys. I know in my last braiding video, the main questions were how long it took and how many braids did I do. These braids took about 3.5 hours, and I did a total of 21 braids. I did count for y'all, so it was 21 braids exactly. So yeah, just in case y'all have any questions, so if I see y'all asking in the comments down below, I'm gonna know y'all didn't pay attention. And don't even be mad if I don't answer, because I'm clearing that up right now. I'm gonna get this off my chest real early.
For all the haters, I don't want to be friends after this, so I'm gonna get this off my chest real early.
But in all seriousness, if you ask, I'm gonna answer. I might be nice, but yeah. Anyways, let's get into laying these edges. I'm just using some edge booster, doing that real quick, real cute. And yeah, this is the final result. I thought they came out really cute. Y'all will see a better look of the parting pattern that I did, in case y'all want to see exactly how they're mapped out. I think I'm gonna show you in like the next few clips. Yeah. So yeah, just so y'all can see if y'all wanted to copy this exact braiding pattern. And yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully y'all see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Heard of the fountain, but make it in Canada. Bring me this money like it's my religion. This could be a man, they're sad infinity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them they touched 100 bitches off the gig. That came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I trap out a bando, spent 10 on the crib. Well, look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, no matter what I'm in. I have touch her ass, she don't think she Korean.